Welcome to the Top Review channel. Today we are going to talk about Haylou Solar Plus RT3. We have prepared a complete video review with everything you need to know before buying Haylou. I also have some important warnings, which I'll talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so you don't make mistakes when using or making your purchase. The first thing you need to know about Haylou Solar Plus is, be careful with the website you are going to buy it from, because it is only sold at the Haylou official store within AliExpress. If you want to check it out, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. What Haylou Solar Plus RT3 can offer. We start with a 1.43-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels, unprecedented clarity and visuals. The large 1.43-inch AMOLED round screen provides you with an accurate and clear experience anytime, anywhere. Health monitoring, stress detection, Bluetooth phone call, 105 sport modes, waterproofing technology, always-on display mode, and 7 days battery usage, up to 20 days in power-saving mode. Exquisite metal frame, you have style for every occasion. With exquisite matte brushed steel metal frame, the watch is resistant to corrosion and wear. The watch has push buttons, a special rotating crown, to operate the watch easily. The versatile watch faces. Choose from 100+ themes easily within the app. Custom themes are also available, allowing you to select one that perfectly matches your mood and outfit. Bluetooth phone call, free your hands. Just lift your wrist to easily answer calls while exercising or cooking, for example, and get online anytime, anywhere. Display mode always active. The always-on display lets you see the time, battery condition, steps, message numbers even when the watch's other features are inactive, keeping you aware of every important moment. 105 sport modes, your workout buddy. The high-efficiency motion sensor supports 100+ workout modes. It is a trainer close to you at all times, on your wrist, which helps you to challenge yourself. SpO2 tracking, check blood oxygen all the time. Raise your wrist to test your blood oxygen level and keep your health in check. All-day heart rate monitoring. The watch supports 24-hour heart rate monitoring. Real-time heart rate generation alerts you when heart rate is abnormal, giving you peace of mind at all times. Sleep quality monitoring. The watch records different stages of sleep, helping you learn more about what's going on during your sleep and helping you develop a healthier sleep habit. Mood and stress level monitoring. When stressed, you can use the breathing training guide to adjust your breathing rhythm and help you face challenges. Menstrual cycle management. Records management of menstrual period and ovulation period. It can also provide intimate reminders. IP68 water resistance. The watch is IP68 waterproof. You don't need to take it off when washing your hands, helping you easily deal with sweating during exercise or heavy rain. Anyway, this really is a premium line watch, excellent screen, excellent modes, and a respectable battery. Many buyers approving and praising the quality of Haylou Solar Plus in the comments. And remember, the product has a 75-day guarantee if you buy it only at the official store. I hope this video has helped you in some way. Any questions you have, leave a comment and I'll be happy to answer. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to the channel, comment and share this video. Thank you for watching this video, and until next time.